Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their espresso coffee machine. This is the model number CM5060. They sent me this to unbox and show you everything that comes inside of here. There is not really a lot of information around the box, just gross weight, power, etc. on the side. Same logo there, and you know, basically there. So I love that it comes with a little handle. They even have their contact information here. So let's open it up, see what we get in here. Oh yeah, look at that. I love shiny instruction booklets. To me, when they use color, it just shows they care a little more compared to like a black and white book. There's our instruction booklet. Oh look, there's a little, so there's that if you ever need it. And what else we got in here? The quick start guide. All right, very nice. And then I think encased in this foam is our espresso coffee machine. Let's get this out of here. There we go. There. Yep, that's it for the box. All right, so we have, oh wow, very nice. I didn't realize, dang, this isn't just foam. All right, so we got, that's nothing else in there. Got this little included piece. I have to tell you, I don't know enough about coffee to tell you exactly what this is. You know, it's included in there. All right, well, that piece. And then this is our actual, nothing else in that. But we do have that little piece and this little piece, which came with this piece. I think they go together somehow. And then here's our actual espresso coffee machine. I mean, look at that. Nice stainless steel in the front. You got a lock and unlock for when you put this in. Wow. Off switch. You got some tips for your first use here. You've got a nice big reservoir on the back. You've got probably a 2-foot cable to plug it in, but a very, very nice machine. And this does come out taped down. So this comes out so you can clean it. Please remove it and throw away silicone plug at the tank bottom before first use. All right, yeah, there's your tank. Hold your water. Of course, just slides right on. This doesn't move or anything. Everything else is controlled either by this, or what you put in here. So, and then there's just 3 buttons. So that is essentially everything that comes inside of this espresso coffee machine. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox, to show you everything you'd get inside of here if you were to purchase one of these. And if you're wondering, there's a physical on-off switch, which I like. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Deuces.